Hello everyone on YouTube. So I'm going to share some angel chime Moldavite and give you an example of the sound of it. So my research has been found that 1% of the Moldavite that is available on the market is angel chime Moldavite. Like this little piece here that I acquired from this friendly gentleman that goes by Tourmaline Kings. If he's still in business, you should check him out. He does online sales. But I asked the gentleman at a gem show if he had any, because I was looking for a piece. I'd already found a few pieces of Moldavite, and I wanted a small piece like this. I also collected the Synergy 12, and that's one of them. I have tiny pieces for the Synergy 12 at this point, so this was perfect. He ended up selling it to me after we searched through a small satchel of tiny pieces of Moldavite, listening to each of them drop on the counter before we found this piece. And he sold it to me for the same price per gram as the rest of the Moldavite that he was selling, even with it being so rare. This piece was $20. And I can't remember what the price per gram was. I can't remember the weight of this guy. Obviously very little, but, you know, I was happy to pay $20 for this guy. So I'm going to drop this Moldavite first. Another beautiful piece of mine. Looks like a little pine tree. Okay. Go drop all your Moldavite from your collection and see if you have one that sounds like this. Okay, that didn't sound like it. There's like one angle that doesn't sound like it. There you go. Sounds like a little coin. Also, I mean, this is painted wood, so it's not the most resonating, I think, because it's so dense. And then has the paint, but yeah, that little twinkle. So that is angel chime Moldavite.